Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install or how you can add more custom shapes in Photoshop without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Photoshop, and the next thing you want to do is to navigate to the sidebar right here where you have all shapes. Go ahead and click on Hold Down right here, and then navigate to Custom Shapes Tools right here. And then you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on Shapes. The next thing you want to do is to click on this sidebar right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on Import Shapes. Just like so. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and look for where you have your custom shape files. So I have it in my download folder. So here we go. This is the shape file right here. PS Custom Shapes. So if you are interested in this particular custom shapes, select on the source. If you are interested in this particular custom shape, you can check the description of this video and see how you can get it download all for free. So this custom shape should be in CSH file. Next thing you want to do is to click on Load. So having click on Load is going to be added to your custom pack. So I'm going to click on here to expand. Then here we go. You can see the folder right here, source. Click on it and you see all custom shapes right here, just like so. Then from here, you can select as many as possible different custom shapes for your design. So if you are interested, like I said, in this particular custom shape pack, check the description of this video and see how you can easily download it from the web. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Photoshop topic like this, consider to hit on that subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.